Guys, I'm waiting for the answer. Acha, what is ethanoic acid? Ethanoic acid is CH3COH. Okay, if you don't know what is ethanoic acid. Molality is equal to number of moles of solute divided by the mass of solvent in kgs. है ना?
Yes.
Okay. Fahad has given me an answer.
Sir, is the answer 0? Yes, sir, is the answer 0.556 mole kg inverse?
Yeah, I think so. Calculate कीजिए number of moles कितना आ रहा है? Will be equal to 2.5 divided by carbon is 12 plus 3 plus 12 plus oxygen is 16 plus 16, 32 plus 1. So will be equal to 2.5 divided by 12 और 25 और ये 35, 25 plus 35. This will be equal to 2.5 upon 5, 60, है ना? Number of moles इतना ही आ रहा है. All of you are getting this as the number of moles. Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Okay. Now you don't have to do anything after this. ठीक है? इसको decimal से please मत कीजिएगा because you have to use this in another equation. ठीक है? तो वहीं पे जितना ज्यादा आप decimal में convert करने की कोशिश कीजिएगा उतने ज्यादा mistakes हो जाएंगे. If you don't convert it into decimals, you will write number of moles is equal to 2.5 divided by 60 into the mass of benzene is equal to how much? The solvent is equal to 75 gram. 75 gram का क्या मतलब हुआ? 75 upon 1000, है ना? 75 upon 1000 तो 1000 ऊपर चल जाएगा. Denominator का denominator, the denominator of denominator is numerator into 1000 हो जाएगा ये. Okay, so you are going to write this as 66 0 यहाँ पे कट गया. This is not 25 into 10 divided by 6 into 75. अब कैलकुलेट कीजिए कितना आ रहा है आंसर. अच्छा, you go forward to change into kg. हाँ, अब सही है. This will be equal to 0.55. ठीक है, कैलकुलेट कीजिए इसको. This is 5 5 सा और 25 1 सा and this is 25 3 सा. ठीक है, and then this is 2 3 सा and 2 5 सा. तो बिल्कुल क्या जाएगा 5 upon 8, है ना? and 8 5 0 सा 0.8 5 सा 40, 8 5 सा 40, है ना?
Sir,
8 5
shouldn't be 5 by 9 because
5 5 9 आ रहा है.
so because in 25 into 10 divided by 6 into 75, it is 3 3s are 9, right?
Oh yeah, sorry. My bad. 3 3 and 9. Okay, so this will be equal to 0.95 45. Then again 5 is remaining, so 0.555. So you can write 0.556 moles per kg. Please write this next question. Sample of drinking water is found to be severely contaminated with chloroform, supposed to be carcinogen. Yeah, that's true. The level of contamination was 15 ppm by mass. That means 15 grams of what? 15 grams of CHCl3 in 10 to the power 6 gram of solution. Like there is one relationship between ppm and mass percentage. Mass percentage is equal to the mass of solute divided by the mass of solution into 100. ठीक है? And ppm is equal to क्या होता है? Mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 10 to the power 6. So what is the difference? Difference यहाँ पे किसका? यहाँ पे this is 10 to the power 2 and 10 to the power 6. So अगर mass percentage में हम 10 to the power 4 कर दें, if I multiply 10 to the power 4, it will become ppm. So there is a relationship. Please write this down. ppm is equal to 10 to the power 4 into mass percentage. ठीक है? So mass percentage will be equal to how much? Whatever the ppm is, divided by 10 to the power 4. This will be equal to how much? Mass percentage ppm is equal to 15 है ना, divided by 10 to the power 4 आ जाएगा आपका 15 into 10 to the power minus 4 percentage. Done, guys. Let's determine the molality of the chloroform in water sample. ठीक है? So यहाँ से you can calculate the molality from here. 15 gram in 10 to the power 6 grams of solution. Now, if you have 15 grams in 10 to the power 6 gram of solution, now the mass of solvent will be how much? This will be equal to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 15 in grams. So this will be approximately equal to same thing, 10 to the power 6 only, है ना? 1 million में से अगर आपके पास 1 million रुपया उसमें से 15 निकाल दीजिए, कुछ असर नहीं पड़ने वाला है. Okay, so you will just take this as 10 to the power 6 only in grams, by the way. Okay, now CHCl3. What is the molar mass of CHCl3? Carbon का 12 plus 1 plus hydrogen का 1 and 3 into 35.5. Calculate the molar mass. Molar mass calculate, मतलब molar mass आपको बहुत calculate करना पड़ेगा. Okay, calculate the molar mass here. This will be 119.5 आ रहा है. Chloroform 119.5 grams per mole. Yes or no? Iram, Humam, Tarif, Rabia, tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, no? Okay. Now, what is the number of moles? 15 upon 119.5. बताइए. Do we need to change this? यहाँ पे कुछ change करना है, decimal में डालना है? नहीं, decimal में नहीं डालना. Okay, we'll keep it as it is, or rather what you can do, you can write it as 150 upon 1195. दोनों में से दोनों को 10 से multiply कर दीजिए. Okay, so decimal सारे ही हट जाए. Now you have got the number of moles divided by molality will be equal to number of moles divided by the mass of solvent in kg. Okay, so this is equal to 150 upon 1195 into. So 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by, this was in grams, divided by 1000. 1000 से फिर कर दीजिए तो 0 चला जाएगा. Okay, so you have into 1000. Now you can cancel these things. Be equal to 15 upon 1195 into 100. 100 रहेगा नहीं 1000 रहेगा ना, सॉरी अच्छा नहीं 100 रहेगा, 150 को हमने कैंसिल कर दिया ना, 100 it will be. So calculate this 15 upon 1195. Two non-zero. कहाँ तक कैलकुलेट करना वो बता रहे हैं आपको. 2 non-zero digits after decimal. Okay, you have to calculate at least 2 non-zero digits after decimal. (15 upon 1195). I think पावर में कुछ ये है फहद. ये वैल्यू कितना आ रहा है आपका फहद? How much is this value? 15 upon 1195. ये बताइए आप.
Sir, is 15 by 1195 is equals to 0.012.
Yeah, that is correct. 0.0125 के करीब आएगा. Okay, divided by 100, right? This will be equal to how
Yes,
much?
sir.
1.25 into 10 to the power minus 4 moles per kg. I can write this as 1 decimal point, 2 decimal point. है ना? So 10 to the power minus 2, and we have 2 zeros below. That will be equal to 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, this one is important. Write this: if solubility product of CUS is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 16, calculate the maximum molarity of CUS in aqueous solution. This is from the solubility product is from equilibrium of the previous class. है ना? What is solubility product? If you have copper sulfide, so dissociate into copper 2 plus and sulfur 2 negative. KSP is equal to whatever, for example, let us say this is, you are getting X amount of this and you are getting X amount of this, right? जितना भी मिलेगा दोनों same मिलेगा because the coefficients are same. You will get 1 mole of copper and 1 mole of sulfide. ठीक है? Now KSP is what? It is the concentration of copper 2 plus multiplied by the concentration of S2 negative. ना जो भी यहाँ पे आपके पास products आए हैं, whatever the products you are getting, to the power of their stoichiometric coefficient. And since the stoichiometric coefficient is 1, I'm not giving it any power. Now the amount of copper 2 plus is X into amount of S2 negative is also X. This is equal to KSP. Now what is KSP? KSP is 6 into 10 to the power minus 16. 6 into 10 to the power minus 16. Now what are these? These are molarity, concentration. है ना? molarity of CO2 plus into molarity of S2 negative is equal to Ksp. I can write x square is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 16, and x will be equal to root of 6 into 10 to the power minus 16. Right? Now I can write this also as root 6 into 10 to the power 16 upon 2 minus 8. Okay, so what is the root 6? Root 6 will be approximately equal to 2.45 into 10 to the power minus 8 moles per liter. Basically, this is important. ये वाला part important है. आगे से calculation sir. Write this down. Humam and Rabia, समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
हाँ जी बताएं.
जो 10 to the power minus 16 है वो -8 कैसे माइनस
हाँ हाँ एक सेकंड. 2 to the power 2 का रूट कितना होगा बताइए. ये सर नहीं, 2 की पावर 2 है, उसका रूट है. रूट को ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 2 to the power 2 होल रेज टू 1/2.
या
ठीक है. अब 2 to the power, इसको इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. पावर का पावर सही है.
या
वही किया बस हमने यहाँ पे ना. 10 to the power minus 16 था, इसका रूट है. दैट मीन्स इट इज इक्वल टू 10 to the power minus 16 to the power 1/2 है ना. दैट इज इक्वल टू 10 to the power minus 16 into 1/2 है ना. तो 10 to the power minus 8 आ जाएगा.
ओके
ठीक है रम.
ओके
Let's move on to the next question. Write this. Calculate the amount of benzoic acid required for preparing 250 ml of 0.15 molar solution of methanol in methanol. ठीक है. So what they are asking, you are asking the amount of benzoic acid that will be in grams. What they have given, they have given you the molarity and the volume. ठीक है. Molarity and volume दिया हुआ. Now molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. ठीक है. So first of all, what I will do, I will calculate the amount of benzoic acid in number of moles. How will I calculate? Number of moles of benzoic acid will be equal to whatever the molarity is multiplied by the volume in liters, and then I will get the number of moles of benzoic acid. ठीक है. And then I will calculate the mass of benzoic acid that is required, which will be equal to number of moles of benzoic acid into the molecular weight of benzoic acid. Okay, तो यहाँ से आपका आंसर मिल जाएगा. चलिए. You have to calculate two things. First of all, number of moles and then the mass of benzoic acid. उससे पहले आपको क्या calculate करना है? The molar weight of benzoic acid. कितना हो जाएगा? 6 into 6 यहाँ पे और 1 यहाँ. 6 into नहीं, sorry. So it will be 7 into 12 plus hydrogen कितना? 6 plus 6 plus 16 32 32. So 12 sevens are how much? Tell me. 12 sevens are
84.
84 plus 6 plus 32. 84 plus 6 is 90. 90 plus 9 plus 3 is what? 120, 122. एक बार confirm कर लीजिए please.
Yes, sir. Correct. 122.
Okay. Please remember, volume should be in liters. यहाँ पे उन्होंने ml में दिया हुआ है ना. Convert it into liters and then multiply. whatever number of moles you are getting, you will keep it as it is, and then उसको सीधा आप कहाँ पे multiply कीजिएगा molecular weight से, ठीक है? यहाँ पे decimals लाने की कोशिश मत कीजिएगा. If you are not having it in decimals, keep it like that only. I hope you have written the question. Let's see another question. This is the next question that you are going to write. मोहम्मद तारी, number of moles मिल गया आपको? Okay. Yeah, number of moles is correct. Then multiply it with the molecular weight, you will get the answer. Yes, Fahad, very good. That is correct. I hope all of you are getting number of moles as. Yes, Aram, very good. Correct. 0.0375. Yes, Tarif, very good. Correct. This will be equal to 0.0375 into the molecular weight is 122, which will be equal to. I'm waiting for some other people. Humam and Rabia, please answer. Send the answer in chat and send it to Salim. Yes, Rabia. It's taking too much time.
Yes, sir.
Humam, it is taking too much time.
Trying, sir.
Trying. Multiply करना है, सब कुछ तो कर दिया हमने. Okay, and also Humam and Rabia, have you made an account on Learnivio's app or the website?
Yes, sir, I did.
So you have. What about Rabia?
No, sir.
Not yet. ठीक है, उसको भी कर लीजिए जल्दी, ठीक है? So you have the assignments on the web portal or the app, wherever you find it useful. कितना आ रहा है आंसर? बाकी लोग इसको ट्राई करें. Those who are done with this question, try this. Calculate the mole fraction of benzene in solution containing 30% by mass. Yes, Humam, very good. Yeah, very good. Rabia, correct. Okay, very good. This is 4.575 grams. Now, calculate the mole fraction of benzene in solution containing 30% by mass. Okay. So what I will translate first of all, those who had not done the previous class, please see. Whenever you get mass percentage or something like this, mass percentage or volume percentage or mass by volume percentage, then you will translate the statement as you have 30%, that means 30 gram of benzene in 100 gram of solution. Okay, in 100 gram of solution. Now you will tell me three things. Number one, what is the mass of solute? That is very easy, 30 grams. And the mass of solute is 30 grams. Secondly, what is the mass of solution? That is also very easy, 100 grams. And then you are going to tell me the third thing, what is the mass of solvent? Mass of solvent is equal to 100 minus, that is the mass of solution, minus mass of solute, that is 30, which is going to give you 70 grams. Okay? Now, what you have to calculate the mole fraction. Mole fraction calculate करना. Mole fraction के लिए क्या चाहिए आपको? Chi B is equal to number of moles of solute divided by the number of moles of solvent plus number of moles of solute. That means what you need basically the number of moles of solute and one number of moles of solvent. दो ही चीज चाहिए. Now, Na will be equal to how much? Number of moles of solvent will be equal to the mass of solvent divided by the मोलर वेट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट. सॉल्वेंट कितना है मास यहाँ पे 70. कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड इज इक्वल टू CCl4. दैट मीन्स 12 + 4 × 35.5. बेंजीन का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? बेंजीन इज C6H6. ठीक है, बेंजीन इज C6H6 which is equal to 6 × 12 + 6, है ना? 6 × 12 + 6. तो इन दोनों का मोलर मास निकल जाएगा आपको. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ A निकाल लीजिए, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ B निकाल लीजिए, दैट इज WB अपॉन द मॉलिक्यूलर वेट ऑफ B. WB is equal to 30 divided by its molecular weight, जो कि आपको यहाँ से निकल जाएगा. ठीक है, so calculate the molecular weight, then you will plug in the values here for solvent, that is carbon tetrachloride, and here for the solute, that is benzene. Once you get the number of moles of A and number of moles of B, you are going to plug in the values here, here, and here to get the mole fraction. I hope it is clear. Please start calculating things. If you are stuck, please let me know. It's clear, right? All of you? Please tell me, Iram.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Where is solvent carbon tetrachloride?
Yeah, solvent is carbon tetrachloride. Okay, Iram got the answer. Yeah, I think it is correct. Yes. Hi, Iram, सही है. There is some कुछ calculations का ये है, otherwise it is fine. Uh, 0.5. Yeah, it is approximately correct. Yes, Fahad, yes, Tariq, that is correct. Yeah, what is the molecular weight of carbon tetrachloride? कितना आ रहा? 154?
Yes, sir. 154.
154. And for benzene, it should be 78. 72 + 6, 78, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chi B is equal to 30 upon 78 upon 70 upon 154 plus 30 upon 78. है ना? सही है?
Yes, sir.
Any use of keeping it here? No. There is no use of keeping it here. Decimals में कर लें. Or let us see. 30/78 divided by 70 into 78 minus 30 into 154 divided by 154 into 78. तो ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. 78 and 78 will be cancelled. 154 कहाँ चल जाएगा? 154 ऊपर चल जाएगा. So we'll have 30 into 154 divided by 78 into 7. So equal to 5460 minus 154 into 3. डेढ़ सौ 45 45 और 4 12 550 और 12 462 4620. ये भी कितना हो जाएगा? 4620 डिवाइड बाई 0 का 0 एंड 6 में से 2 गया 4 54 एंड 46. तो बेसिकली आपके पास कितना हमें ये करना पड़ेगा? इसलिए 840 है ना? ठीक है, हाँ ठीक है. 0 से 0 कैंसिल हो गया. Is there any mistake? Wait a second. कहीं पे कुछ mistake है. What is the mistake? 154 30/78 30/78 170/154. ठीक है. 30/78 ठीक है. So this multiplied by this multiplied by this. 70 into 78 30 into 154 divided by 154 into 78. 154 into 78. 70 and 78 will cancel out. 154 will go up. 154 will go up. This is 4620. Am I doing some mistake? कोई identify कर पा रहा है क्या? 154 into 78, 70 into 78, 30 into 154. तो सही है. Did I do something else? There's some mistake I am doing. Oh, my bad. ये प्लस है ना, इसको हमने माइनस कर दिया. This is plus, this is plus. My bad. My bad, guys. Okay. So 462 upon 10080. So this is approximately आपको यहाँ पे 0.46 आप ले सकते हैं, है ना? This is 462 और यहाँ पे approximately 1000 है. तो आप इसको 460 upon 1000 के करीब लिख सकते हैं, है ना? This will give you approximately equal to 0.46. Okay. What a silly mistake, है ना? माइनस प्लस था, यहाँ पे हमने माइनस कर दिया. Okay. This is done. Next question. ये just अभी किया हम लोगों ने. Do this. एक चीज आप लोग को दे देते हैं हम. KI का मॉलिक्यूलर वेट है 166। Calculate molality, and mole fraction of Ki if the density of 20% mass by mass aqueous Ki is 1.202. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले क्या करना है आपको? सबसे पहले एक ट्रांसलेशन लिखना है. What will be the translation? Tell me. 20% mass by mass Ki. क्या ट्रांसलेशन होगा इसका? Tell me guys. What will be the translation for this? 20% mass by mass aqueous Ki. बताइए.
20 grams.
20 grams. 20 grams of Ki in 100 grams of solution. यहां से आप तीन चीज निकालिएगा. Mass of Ki, that is the solute. Secondly, the mass of solution. ठीक है. And then third thing is mass of solvent. ठीक है. उसके बाद एक और चीज आपको निकालना है. डेंसिटी दी हुई है आपको किसकी? सोल्यूशन की डेंसिटी दी हुई है. ठीक है. सोल्यूशन की डेंसिटी से आप क्या निकाल सकते हैं? वॉल्यूम निकाल सकते हैं. व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ सोल्यूशन? डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास बाय वॉल्यूम. वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू मास जो भी आएगा यहाँ पे डिवाइड बाय द डेंसिटी 1.202. चलिए, टेल मी 1 2 3 4 ये चार चीज पहले बताइए, उसके बाद कैलकुलेट कीजिएगा कुछ भी. इसमें आप मोल्स ऑफ Ki भी अगर कैलकुलेट कर ले और मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्वेंट, सॉल्वेंट जो कि वाटर है ना. सॉल्वेंट यहाँ पे वाटर कैसे पता चल रहा है? बिकॉज इट इज एक्वस. ठीक है. सॉल्वेंट क्या है आपके पास? H2O. ये 6 चीज कैलकुलेट कीजिएगा, बाकी सारी चीज आपके पास आ जाएगी. टेल मी 1 2 3 4 5 6. और यू कैन आल्सो टेल मोलालिटी. मोलारिटी है ना, बहुत सारे लोग उसको कैलकुलेट नहीं करेंगे, उसको फ्रैक्शन में ही रखना चाहेंगे. दैट इज माई yes ma'am, very good. Mass of Ki is 20 grams. Mass of solution is 100 grams. Mass of solvent will be 100 minus 20, 80 grams. है ना. Volume of solution क्या हो जाएगा? Mass of solution divided by density. Mass of solution is 100 divided by 1.202. ठीक है. This will be volume. Volume किस में होगा? In ml. है ना. grams per ml है तो volume ml में होगा. Moles of Ki निकाल लीजिए. This will be 20 upon 166. Moles of solvent. Solvent है आपके पास 80. What is the molar mass of water? It is 18. ठीक है. Yes, Rabia, very good. Correct. Correct answer for molality. Okay, since we have all of these data, then our molality will be very easy. Molality will be equal to number of moles, that is 20 upon 166 divided by the mass of solvent in kgs. Solvent in kg will be equal to what? 80. आप इसको 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए यहाँ पे, तो आपको kg में मिल जाएगा. This will be equal to 20 into 1000 divided by 166 into 80. सही है? सही है. This will be equal to 1000 divided by 4 को भी ये कर सकते हैं ना, 25 into 4. 250. Calculate this term. Molality मिल जाएगा. Then for molarity, you have the volume and then the number of moles of Ki. Waiting for molarity. What happened? You guys are not getting molarity. Number of moles of solute is 20 upon 166 divided by the volume of solution is equal to 100 upon 1.202. This is in ml. इसको multiply कर दीजिए किससे? 1000 से आपको liters में मिल जाएगा. Okay, so this will be equal to 20 into 1000 into 1.202 divided by 100 into 66 ना, 100 into 166. ठीक है? So this will be cancelled. 2 zeros like this. And what else? This is 2.404. So this will be 24.04 divided by 166. I think it's right. I think so. It is right. 20 या फिर 240 होगा. I think this will be 240.4. moles per liter. इसको convert कीजिए. Yes, Tarif, that is correct. This is coming out to be 1.51 moles per kg, and this is going to be 1.45 moles per liter. Now the only thing remaining is mole fraction. Number of moles of solute is 20 upon 166 divided by 20 upon 166 plus 80 upon 160, 80 upon 8. This will be equal to 20 upon 166 divided by 20 into 18 plus 166 into 18 divided by 166 into 18. Now 166 and 166 will cancel each other out and 18 will go above and आपको मिलेगा यहाँ पे 20 into 18 divided by 20 into 18 plus 166 into 80. 18 to the 36, so this will be 360 divided by 360 plus 166 into 80 will be equal to 13280. This will be 360 divided by 13640. So 36 upon 13640 is going to be very small value. It's coming out to be 0.026. Write this down. Then guys, can I move on?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Calculate this. If 500 ml of 5 molar solution is diluted to 1500 ml, what will be the molarity of the solution obtained? Okay. See here, maybe you guys don't know या फिर याद नहीं होगा आपको. This is from the previous 11th standard. ठीक है. Dilution करने पे what is the molarity? ना, what is the molarity after dilution? Whenever we dilute, dilution का मतलब क्या होता है? Dilution means addition of what? Tell me. Addition of solvent या solute? पानी ऐड करेंगे या कुछ और ऐड करेंगे? Tell me guys. Addition of dilution में क्या मतलब होता है? Addition of solvent. Since we are only adding solvent, therefore there will be no change in number of moles of solute. है ना? Therefore, number of moles of solute, this is before dilution, will be equal to the number of moles of solute after dilution. Okay. Now let us suppose we have a container. तो यहाँ पे कुछ था. This is the molarity M1 and the volume is V1. I added V2 volume into it. V2 volume of solvent in it. Now the solution, it has the molarity, let us suppose M final, and the volume is V final. So V final तो आराम से निकल जाएगा. That will be equal to how much? That will be equal to V1 plus V2. है ना? V2 क्योंकि हमने ऐड किया है यहाँ पे. Now what will be the molarity final? M final will be equal to the number of moles of solute जो भी था यहाँ पे divided by the final volume V final. Now number of moles of solute can be calculated using M into V. Why? Because यहाँ पे जो molarity होगा that will be equal to number of moles divided by volume. The volume into number of moles, sorry, volume into molarity will give you the number of moles. Okay, so I can write this equation as m1 v1 upon v final, that is v1 plus v2. Okay, now put this formula यहाँ पे इसको कीजिए, identify each and everything. See, this is the v1, ठीक है, ये आपके पास क्या है m1 और ये क्या है आपके पास, this is v final. कैलकुलेट कीजिए मोलारिटी ना. You got one answer. Yes, Iram, very good. That is correct. क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? M final will be equal to M1 V1 upon V final. M1 क्या है आपके पास? M1 is 5 into. You don't have to worry about millis here because milli and यहाँ पे milli आप क्या हो जाएगा? कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Let me show you. 5 into. This is 5 molar है ना? 5 molar को molar रखते हैं. Into volume 1 is equal to how much? 500 ml. Final volume is ये 150 ml क्या है? Final volume है diluted till 1500 ml. ml and ml will cancel each other. 0000 यहाँ से cancel. This will be equal to 25 upon 15, which will be equal to molarity, which will be equal to 5 upon 3 molar, which will be equal to 3 zeros are point. 5 5s are 5 3s are. सही है ना? And then 1s are, and then उसके बाद 2 remainder, 2 में एक 0 डाल दीजिए. We'll get 20. In order to divide 20, you will have to multiply by 6. 6 is 18. So 0.1666 ऐसा आ जाएगा. Oh, sorry, not 0. It will be 1.666. My bad. 3 ones are 3, and then it goes 66 molar. So this is the correct answer. Is someone saying something? Rabia, are you saying something?
No, sir.
Same thing. Next सवाल लिखिए आप लोग. कुछ भी करने से पहले ना सॉल्यूशन में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कैलकुलेट व्हाट इज द मोलर वेट. इसका मोलर वेट कितना होगा? 19 into 12 plus 21 plus 14 plus 3 into 16. Okay. Nalorphine is similar to morphine, is used to combat withdrawal symptoms in narcotic users. The dose of nalorphine is given, generally given as 1.5 milligram. 1.5 milligram is generally given. Okay. Calculate the mass of 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 molar aqueous solution required for the above dosage. Okay. So what is the mass of this molar solution? That is going to give you 1.5 milligram of nalorphine. This is the concentration और इतना amount हमको nalorphine चाहिए. Basically, they have given you the molality, which is equal to the number of moles of B divided by number of moles of solute, which is divided by the mass of solvent in kg. Now, since everything is in grams, तो इसको हम grams में ले लेते हैं, WA को into 1000 कर देते हैं यहाँ पे. WA will be equal to how much? NB into 1000 divided by the molality, है ना? NB कैसे calculate होगा? NB will be equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by the molecular weight, that is equal to, wait a second, molecular weight किसी का आया? जो भी molecular weight आएगा उसको रख दीजिएगा यहाँ पे. Okay, so don't solve this, directly put कीजिएगा इसको यहाँ. So you will get this as 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 1000 divided by molecular weight कितना है यहाँ पे? Molecular weight आपका जो भी आ जाएगा into the molality. Molality is given by 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. तो बेसिकली ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 1000 अपॉन मॉलिक्यूलर वेट आ जाएगा बस. कितना है मॉलिक्यूलर वेट? किसी ने कैलकुलेट किया मॉलिक्यूलर वेट? अभी तक नहीं.
Sir, 311.
या 311. ठीक है. सो द आंसर विल बी 1000 अपॉन 311. Do this question. ये खुद से कीजिए आप लोग, ठीक है? I'm giving you guys 5 minutes. Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by the mass of solvent in kg. ठीक है? So mass of solvent is given, molality is given. ठीक है? Number of moles निकालिए. Number of moles से फिर क्या कीजिए आप? है ना? नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूलर वेट निकल जाएगा, you have been given the formula, मॉलिक्यूलर वेट निकल जाएगा, फिर वहां से आप क्या निकाल लीजिएगा, WB निकाल लीजिए। बेसिकली सिर्फ क्या करना है, M इज इक्वल टू NB कर लिए, WB अपॉन मॉलिक्यूलर वेट इंटू WA इन kg, ठीक है। यहाँ से सिर्फ आपको WB निकालना है, नथिंग एल्स। वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन, प्लीज डू दिस। Anyone got the answers still? किसी को नहीं आया? इतना टाइम कैसे लग रहा है आप लोगों को?
Sir, is it 36.49 or 37?
Correct. What is the molar mass of urea?
60 grams.
ठीक है, parity is equal to given mass by molar mass into the mass of solvent in kg. So WB is equal to molality into molecular weight into mass of A in kg equal to कितना हो जाएगा? Molality is 0.25 into 60 into 2.5. No, wait a second. और चलिए अप्रोक्सीमेटली ठीक ही आंसर आएगा, और ज्यादा फर्क नहीं आएगा. Since the concentration is very low, तो हम लोग they have given us the mass of the solution, है ना. सॉल्वेंट का मास चाहिए रहता है, बट अप्रोक्सीमेटली आंसर आपको सही आना चाहिए यहाँ पे. Number of moles of mass of A is not given, no. 0.525 molal. Let us suppose if you wanted a accurate answer, 37 के अराउंड मिल रहा है ना आप लोगों को. You wanted an accurate answer, then how would you have done? So 2.5 kg of 0.25 molar aqueous solution. That means 0.25 moles in 1 kg of solvent. Yeah, accurately नहीं आता, I think. In 1 kg of solvent, है ना. And 0.25 moles का मतलब 0.25 into 60. 0.25 into 60 is equal to 15. 15 grams in 1000 grams of solvent, यानी 0.25 moles in 1015 grams of solvent, है ना. यानी कि हम ये कह सकते हैं, और rather I should say 15 grams से लेके चलते हैं. 15 grams in this many grams of solvent. 1015 grams of solution होगा ये, of solution contains 15 grams of urea, है ना. 1 gram of solution will contain 15 upon 1015. 2500 grams will contain 15 upon 1015 into 2500 grams of urea. Here you will get the accurate answer. Which is approximately equal to 36.9. यहाँ पे आपको 37.5 मिल रहा है, so काफी close है, but still note down both the answers. अच्छा, one more question. ये समझ में आया कि नहीं आप लोगों को? All of you understood this part, yes or no? Yes, Iram, Fahad, Humam, Tarif.
Yes, sir, understood.
Understood, na? Rabia, what about you?
Yes, I understood.
Okay. Then everyone, yes or no, please tell me. सबने लिख लिया? यस इरम, फहद, हुमाम, तारीफ एंड राबिया।
Yes, sir. I did.
चलिए ये सवाल बताइए। दिस वाज आस्क्ड इन नीट 2022, लास्ट ईयर के पेपर का है। आसान सवाल है, बिल्कुल आसान सवाल है, ठीक है। मोलालिटी के डेफिनेशन से सवाल है बिल्कुल। अरे नो वन, व्हाट हैपेंड गाइस? इतना आसान सवाल, सवाल लिखने में रह जाते हैं आप लोग। पहले कीजिए सवाल को। वन मोलर सोल्यूशन क्या मतलब हुआ? व्हाट इज वन मोलर सोल्यूशन? टेल मी, कैसे ट्रांसलेट
Sir,
करेंगे
is
वन?
it option D?
ऑप्शन व्हाट? चैट में लिखेंगे प्लीज
Option
राबिया।
D?
बी 500 grams of solvent।
No, sir. Option D, 1000 grams of solvent.
अच्छा ये बताइए, व्हाट इज द ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ दिस वन मोलर सोल्यूशन? व्हाट डज इट मीन? व्हाट डज इट मीन? इरम, वन मोलर क्या मतलब हुआ?
1:1 molarity.
1:2 मोलालिटी नहीं हुआ, 1 मोल इन 1 kg ऑफ सॉल्वेंट, ये मतलब हुआ ना? यस और नो? इससे क्या मतलब? इट इज द मोलालिटी इज इक्वल टू 1 moles per kg. That means 1 mole in 1 kg of solvent. Is this clear? Yes or no? Please tell me guys, all of you. बताइए, क्लियर है?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, so 0.5 mole in 1 into 0.5 kg, है ना? 2 मोल कितने में होगा? 2 kg में होगा। 3 मोल 3 kg में, तो आधा मोल कितने kg में होगा? आधे kg में। So 500 grams. B is the correct option. Is this clear? Yes or no? Please tell me, everyone.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Calculate this. .022 moles of urea present in 100 ml of its solution. इसको पहले कन्वर्ट करना है किसमें? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स, एंड देन डिवाइड बाय द वॉल्यूम. What will be the option?
In progress.
Okay, I've got one answer. I don't think so. I don't think so. That is right answer. फहद फिर से ट्राई कीजिए. फहद once again. देखिए नंबर ऑफ मोल्स क्या हो जाएगा? गिवन नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स 6.02 into 10 to the power 20 divided by Avogadro's number 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. क्या हो जाएगा? कैंसिल कैंसिल, 10 to the power -3, 23 नीचे है, 20 ऊपर है, so 20 minus 23, that will be equal to 10 to the power -3. Molarity is equal to 10 to the power -3 divided by 100 ml. 100 ml क्या हो जाएगा? 0.1 mole, 0.1 liter, which will be equal to 10 to the power -3 upon 10 to the power -1, है ना? 0.1 को 10 to the power -1 लिख सकते हैं. कितना आ जाएगा आंसर? 10 to the power -2, which is equal to 0.01 molar. Yes, Aram, very good. एक और सवाल करते हैं. वन मोर क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम नीट। क्वेश्चन, हाँ ये बता दीजिए, आसान सवाल, पेन उठाने की जरूरत नहीं है। थ्योरेटिकल क्वेश्चन, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन टेम्परेचर? ओके, इफ यू हैव इफ या एरम, वेरी गुड, चलिए बहुत बढ़िया है ना। Those who cannot answer, please see, if there is volume term mentioned in the formula, then the concentration term is what? It is temperature dependent. It is temperature dependent. ठीक है, तो मोलालिटी में we have number of moles upon mass, तो ये नहीं होगा। वेट परसेंटेज में सवाल ही नहीं है, बिकॉज वेट है। मोल फ्रैक्शन में नंबर ऑफ मोल्स अपॉन नंबर ऑफ मोल्स है। The only correct option is molarity. चलिए, that's it, आज एंड है आपका कंसंट्रेशन टर्म्स का सारा